Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how we can define the activities coding in the activities level. So I have opened a project, define the activities. So you need to go to interfaces, then go to the activities code. So if you define in the global, then it can be here over all the project. And if you define with the EPS level, then it will be here only within the EPS level. And if you define in the project, then it will be used only in the project level. Define a new activities code, just you need to go to the modify, and I will just write here add one, and I will write the resource name, resource, 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 and I will also write construction page. I have add two activities code here. I'll just close it, and if you see here we have page and resource. I'll go to resource, and I will add here name. If you give here name, then I can write one Ram, insert another one, or add another one. Sam, I will add another one. Raju, sorry, R2, Raju, and one, Nitesh. I've added the four resource name here on that activities code. Now I'll go to the page. I'll just write here initial page, and I will give the code value IP. Next I'll write construction page. Just mention CP. I will add here another monitoring page, EMP. By this way, I have defined my activities code. So if I go to my detail tab, you will see here don't have any coding section tab here. Just I'll bring it. Go to the customer activity detail code. Drag it here. Okay, you see here there is two code assigned here. If I want to assign another code, I will go here. I will go to the project. I will assign the RAM at the resource here, and I will say this is my initial phase. By this way I can define my resource here, which activities. If I want to do in the block at once with all the one, then you need to bring that tab here. So go to bring here, go resource, you want to bring here resource, and phase you can bring here. Okay, you see here, if you think that it is returned by Raju, you can see only the RAM because it is showing only correct project value. So go here, filter by all value, just click Sam. If the Sam is doing all the activities, then go to here, click Shift and Control E. RAM is doing all here, then click select the resource tab R1. It is selected by the orange type rectangle. Then go to down, Control E. If you want to do phase, this is initial phase, then just click on that one right here, Control E, Control E, Control E. Then if it's another one, just click here. If it's construction, construct fence, go to the activities where you want to assign the activities code. Click here, Control E. We have paste the value here. Click here. and click here, Control E here. By this way, you can define the activities code and you can easily assign the activities code. If there is lots of activity, you need to assign the activities code. Thank you for watching this video. If you really enjoy our video, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you for today.